what's up guys? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bangkok, Thailand. At this is our fourth fourth night and we stay here at Grand Center Point, Lumpini. So, here's our room. This is the view. So, yan, automatic siya guys. So, yung last 4 days namin, ang ginawa lang namin is na staycation. Kaya ngayon lang ako magbablog. Pero sobrang ganda nitong hotel na to. Grabe ito. Isa ata to sa pinakamagandang hotel na napuntahan ko. Ang ganda, linis, ang ganda ng service. Sana ganito sa Pinas. So, abangan nyo guys. Pwede pa ako mag-tour before mag-check out kami dito sa room. Lipat kami ng ibang hotel. Then, travel kami. Then magtutour na kami so right now is Friday. So siguro mamayang hapon or bukas mag-start na kami mag-tour. So yun guys, mag-check out muna ako. Ito na. Then akit din ako doon sa facilities. So tour ko kayo, ito yung lobby nila. Here's the lobby ng hotel. Super nice. Super luxury. Ayan, you can see. Sobrang mabait lang sa. Okay. Where's to check out? Yeah, they want.
Okay, over there. You have already the bag tag?
Yeah, it's on my pocket. Here.
Alright.
Thank you.
Big hug.
So, kaya tayo sa 27 guys. For the pool, right? Yeah. So, this is for the pool guys. So, here is the game room. So, this is the game room. So, here's the pool. Itour ko muna kayo sa pool. The pool, guys. It's swimming. For 4 days. We stay here for 4 days. I think the furniture. Sobrang mura lang dito per night. Around 10,000 per night. Pero sobrang sulit. Yung 10,000 sa Pinas. Hindi wala akong makukuha ang gantong 10,000 sa Pinas. Ayan. May dart. Hindi ka mainip. Kasi hindi ka na mag-tour. Dito ka na lang yun. Billiards. PS5. Sabay. Alia. Hi. May nursing room din sila. Right. Yung mga board games. Board games. Yan. Team view mo. So, akit naman tayo. So, this is the fitness. So, meron ditong sauna. Merong jacuzzi, saka gym. So it's the locker, steam sauna, and jacuzzi. Sorry, wala akong tao. Ito yung locker. You can put your bag, stuff. Okay. Here's the sauna area, steam area, then ito yung jacuzzi. Shower area. So, mag-workout na lang muna siguro ako habang hinihintay ko namin si Princess. Ayan si Mami. Guys, katapos ko lang loko sa gym. Tatapos ko lang mag-workout. So, mag-sauna naman tayo and steam bath. Then, punta ako na yung mga bata. Kung may token na binibigay pag nag-check-in ka. Since 4 nights kami, meron kami 8 token. 2 token per night. So, try natin maglaro. Baka swertihin. Nanalo tayo. Kuha tayo. Yes! We got 2! So get it up, Alia. Get it up. Oh, get that. No. Another one. Oh, that's for Yana. Wow! Yes. Oh, give to Riley, okay? The copy of Minachu. That one, Alia. This one, di ba? You have that one. Yay! Sharing is caring. So ito na guys yung nakuha namin. 2, 4, 5. So 5 na.
Same.
This is for you and yan, and this is for Mama.
Yes.
This is for Mama, one blue. Okay. No, this is... May tira kami 3 token. Pinili na lang namin yung pagkain sa Skyfall. No? Calamari. Kaya namin yan. You want calamari?
No.
So we're going na to the next hotel. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
See you next
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So we gotta go na. Mommy.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Bye-bye.
Huh? Yung tabo.
That's
That's more toys. I'll just buy. What do you want to buy?
Yun na lang.
No, I don't like.
You don't want to play with claw machine.
I don't like. I want to buy something. What can I get for? What can I get for 2 coins?
This is 1 and 1.
Bath bomb.
Yes, and only two. And this is as well.
Oh, this one, oh. Shopping bag.
This one?
Yes,
Hmm.
same. That's one.
It's this one.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'll just get the back one.
Wala ko lang. So what's up guys? Nandito tayo sa Chatuchak Weekend Market. Chatuchak, Bangkok, Thailand. Ayan guys. Chatuchak Weekend Market. That's right. Si Mama. Ito yung mapa nung Chatuchak Weekend Market. So, you need to see the market map. So, ito siya kalaki. Basta naman ang Chatuchak experience.
Chachachak na yung kilikili ko.
Kulang ata magapon namin dito guys. Bago na yung mahuli. Ay, sorry. Tara.
Thấy đây nhỉ?
Cười Khan đi rơiไปแล้วเหรอcười Khan đi rơiไปแล้วเหรอจำได้ว่าcườiเรื่องนี้
Oh, ito pambata oh. Cute. So cute. Chatuchak pa more.
Be careful, it's bad.
Sige ba doon sa mga bag? O dito na tayo?
Stylish. I'm sorry.
Thank sila guys. Shopping dalawa. Si Mama at si Princess. Ang dami na kami na shopping.
Wala pa for
Kamusta naman ang kilikili natin?
Chatuchak.
Thank you! Hi! So dito kami ngayon sa Icon Siam. Ito na kami sa pier. We're gonna do cruise dinner.
Yay! Say hi!
Hi.
The Raymond. Come here. Hi ma'am, what do you do for a living?
I'm a mother.
Yeah. Say hi. Hug. Go, hug. Hug. Jiggy. Kamusta naman po nag-shopping sa Beverly Hills Polo Club? Ha? Kamusta naman, madam?
On sale.
是的呀，是的呀。
Wala ka yan. Sorry natin.
这都超啊！
We're here.
Now,
Das way sa pastor.
together?
No. 70. Isa pa.
Okay, you can sit down first. And please, no touching the bridge. There's electricity in there. So we might never know. The second one. Alright, please, others. Sasana ka na lang, naka. Watch out, sisa. Nakalong sisa, naka. Savannah, naka. Sorry. Ayan, sisa, naka. Na lang, naka. Alright. Okay, be careful.
Don't be scared, baby. Daddy. You're not far. You're not far.
ด้านซ้ายของเรือเรานะคะ ด้านซ้ายของเรือคือวัดอรุณนะคะวัดอรุณราชวรารามนะคะ เป็นวัดเก่าแก่ยาวนานก็มีชื่อเสียงรวมทั้งวัด
Say boy, let's go talk too much. Come on, my sex, put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead.
Alia, let's go. It's raining. Go back. Walk her, walk her. Come here.
Where are we now? Where are we? Where are we? Where are we?
Wait, we stop again.
Where are we? We're the tree.
Again.
We're going to where? I don't know. I just ride.
Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance.
Eh, kamay.
Nalaglag yung isang isip yan.
Eh, kamay. Eh, kamay. Eh, kamay. Eh, kamay.
Where are we?
Why?
Ang side mirror. Paniwala ka sa akin. Pindutin mo yung magic. Tonal. Mami. Emote. Yana. Rihanna. Alia. Mami. Go. What? Wait. Dito kami sa Judge Fair. Last night na namin dito sa Bangkok. So, food trip malala, guys. Hi, mami. Ano ang sabi mo, mami? Para mapas ka naman. Gatong bancheto, mami. This is how you banchets. So ngayon guys, maniningin muna tayo ng food.
Kulay mo!
Si Alia muna bibili natin ng food. Hindi daw spicy. Paano? Pinating mami.
Tom yum.
Rice crispy pork. Rice crispy pork kaya rin. Wow. 100 lang guys, oh. Bangka pa. Bangkok na guys. Yan naman. Hindi ng option dito. Di ba mami? Di ba? Punta na kayo dito guys. Mga scholars. Victor. Here at Central World, we're gonna buy Coke. Depending na. Thank you.
Me and you couldn't be any better if we tried. Nothing else means a thing as long as we're together. Have I told you yet?